Hello, welcome to another video. I'm a single-engine private pilot flying out of Van Nuys, California, one of the busiest general aviation airports in the nation. Today's video captures air traffic control comms and sights from above as Sarah and I head down the coast to San Diego's Montgomery Field. Cruise altitude 5,500 feet. ATC asked me a fun question about the airplane's color. Noteworthy, this particular flight had unusual route planning involved and considerations due to SoCal's June gloom, coastal cloud layer, and TFR no-fly zones all over the place. Vice President Harris was in town, and there was a Dodger game. If you like what you see, click like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or feedback, put them in the comments below. For now, join us in 130 Juliet Mike as we head down to San Diego. Well, what would you rate that landing?
I don't even want to go there.
Airport ATC Information Hotel, 16510 Zulu. Wind variable at 3. Visibility 10. Sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 31, 2.17. Altimeter 2989er. Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 112. VOR Bravo approach in use. Visual approach in use. Landing and departing runway 16 left and right. Taxiway Alpha closed.
I just want to make sure I'm clear of that airplane.
Yeah.
Can you tell? Yeah.
Just take it off. Yeah, you're okay.
It is so tight here, I really don't like it.
You're close, but I think you're fine.
I've got room, it's this side now, I just want to make sure.
You're good.
I'm clear here. Van Nuys ground, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, southwest corner with India, ready taxi to the active.
Air 130 Juliet Mike, Van Nuys ground, taxi via Alpha, hold short of Quebec.
Alpha, hold short, Quebec, 0 Juliet Mike.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, hold short, running 16 right at Quebec, traffic on final.
Hold short, 16 right at Quebec, 0 Juliet Mike.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, crossing 16 right at Quebec, running 16 left taxi, Bravo Charlie.
16 left via Bravo Charlie, crossing 16 right at Quebec, 0 Juliet Mike.
So we still have to avoid LAX.
Not so much LAX is the problem, it's the TFR for the Vice President over Santa Monica. So I can't descend or ascend without dealing with air traffic control, and you may be rejected.
Right. So she flies in and out of Santa Monica?
No, but she might be staying in Santa Monica.
Right. Okay, that makes sense.
So she flies in LAX.
Yeah. That is such a cool fire plane thing. The firefighting
The Chinook helicopter.
Chinook. Ooh, look at this guy. Came in on a tilt. There must be some wind.
I don't know, it could be, sure. Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, ready 16 left. We're going to be requesting a Burbank transition.
So say to your pop over to VA, turn base for departure.
We'll turn base to VA, so say to your papa.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Van Nuys Star, squawk 0202. No turns, let's hold the 101 freeway below 2000. Wind calm, left, clear takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 16 left, remain out of below 2000, and remain south of the 101, 0 Juliet Mike.
So say to your papa, base your discretion.
Alright,
Okay, sir, papa.
full power. Before. power and engine gauges are all in the green, and the airspeed's alive. And we're at 50, 55, there's 60. Everything looks good. All's good, Sarah.
All's good.
All's good.
See, it works.
Cherokee 0 Julie Mike, can I Burbank Tower 18-7,
18-7, see ya, 0 Julie Mike. Burbank Tower, Cherokee 130 Julie Mike on the upwind at Van Nuys. We'll be requesting flight following.
November 130 Julie Mike, Burbank Tower, Burbank altimeter 2987, ident, say request.
There's your ident. VFR, we're PA-28 to Montgomery Field via the Piro intersection, climbing 5,500.
November 0 Julie Mike, radar contact 405-101 interchange. I'm not familiar with the intersection, say the on-course heading.
090 Julie Mike.
November 0 Julie Mike, maintain VFR at about 2,200 south of the freeway. For now, you can expect higher east of runway 15 extended corridor.
Okay, we'll expect higher later, and we'll remain at or below 2,200 south of the freeway, 0 Julie Mike.
November 93 Papa, traffic at the 405-101 interchange eastbound to Cherokee 2,000, climbing 2,200.
Traffic inside, thank you, 93 Papa.
November 0 Juliet Mike, out of the turn, traffic's going to be 11 o'clock, 3 miles westbound, 1,300 a Robinson.
Okay, keep the eyes open for the Robinson, 0 Julie Mike.
November 473 Hotel Bravo, Burbank Tower, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 15473 Hotel Bravo.
November 3 Hotel Bravo, radar contact in the turn, traffic 12 o'clock, 4 miles eastbound, 2,200 restricted Cherokee. Remain my frequency till you're above them.
Roger, looking for the traffic, we'll stay on your frequency. Traffic's in sight for 3 Hotel Bravo.
Number 3 Hotel Bravo, traffic's no factor, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Switching departure, good day, 3 Hotel Bravo.
November 0 Julia Mike, continue your VFR climb.
Continue our VFR climb, 0 Julie Mike.
November 0 Julia Mike, contact SoCal approach 124.6, good day.
Over to SoCal 24-6, good day, 0 Julie Mike.
473 Hotel Bravo, contact departure 128.75.
2875, 3 Hotel Bravo.
SoCal Cherokee 130 Julie Mike with you climbing 2.6 for 5.5.
Cherokee 130 Mike, SoCal approach, roger. Burbank altimeter 2987, and they gave me kind of what you wanted. Are you going to go north of the Bravo and then turn south for Montgomery?
Yeah, we're going to pass El Monte, continue to the Piro intersection, and then turn south to El Toro.
Okay, thank you.
Juliet Mike would like to begin VFR descent.
Juliet Mike, that's approved. And if you can, I'll have you continue VFR all the way down to 2,500. And you are cleared into Class Bravo for that.
Okay, clear into Class Bravo down to 2.5 necessary, 0 Juliet Mike.
0 Juliet Mike, contact SoCal approach 119.6. Just let them know you're looking for the traffic.
You broke up a little bit. Repeat the frequency.
0 Juliet Mike, 119.6, and let them know you're looking for the traffic.
We have traffic in sight, but we'll let them know. 19.6, 0 Juliet Mike.
Perfect, thank you. November 2 Delta X.
Yeah, approach Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, restricted 4.5. We have traffic in sight at our 12 o'clock.
November 130 Juliet Mike, SoCal approach, Roger. VFR descent, pilot's discretion.
Okay, VFR descent, pilot's discretion, 0 Juliet Mike. 0 Juliet Mike has Montgomery Field in sight.
0 Juliet Mike, thank you. Radar services terminated. Stay on the code. Contact Montgomery Tower. Good day.
Stay on the code over to Montgomery, 0 Juliet Mike. See ya. Montgomery Tower, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, approaching Mount Soledad, inbound with Sierra.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Montgomery Tower, make left traffic, runway 28 left.
Left traffic, 28 left, 0 Juliet Mike.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, information Tango just came out, wind 220 at 8, altimeter 2984.
84, 0 Juliet Mike, thank you.
622, request stop, towards disappear when able.
Toronto 622, approved as requested, leaving Bravo airspace.
622.
All right, let's do our landing checklist. Lights, fuel
0
pump.
Juliet Mike, traffic, about 10 o'clock, 3 miles, turning southbound at Banner to 1,500 indicated.
Okay, keep our eyes open for the traffic, 0 Juliet Mike.
Lights, fuel pump, mastered, mixture, primers locked. Fuel will remain on the right.
0 at Niner.
Seatbelts, yep.
Yep.
Okay.
And Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, just maintain out above 2,000 until you get the traffic in sight. About your 11 o'clock, 2.5 miles now, 1,500 indicated.
Okay, we'll remain at or above 2,000 for that traffic, 0 Juliet Mike.
Toronto 622, traffic 2 moving to 1 o'clock and about 2 miles eastbound, restricted above 2,000, Cherokee.
Second 62.
And Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, descent is approved. You are number 1, runway 28 left, clear to land, traffic on final for the parallels, TBM.
Okay,
Traffic.
descent approved, cleared
Low,
land, number 1,
4 miles.
28 left. We'll look for traffic on the parallel, 0 Juliet Mike.
Meridian 0, Hotel Papa, turn left at Mike, cross, runway 28 left, and contact ground.
Papa Mike crossing 28 left for ground 0 Hotel Papa.
Got it.
Nice. Seemed like a good landing. Are you happy with it?
Yes, I am happy with
Good.
it.
Cherokee 0 Juliet Mike, you can turn left at runway 23 and contact ground 118.22.
All right, we'll turn left on 23 and over to ground, 0 Juliet Mike.
Montgomery Ground, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, off 28 left at 23, taxi to Crown Air.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Montgomery Ground, taxi via hotel.
Okay, taxi via hotel, 0 Juliet Mike. And we're going over here.
0 Juliet Mike, if you had to put a name to the color of your airplane, what would it be?
You know what's funny? The last time I landed here, I was asked that question. I'm changing my answer from mustard to school bus yellow.
Nice. Well, sorry, we keep bothering you with it.
I like it. 0 Juliet Mike.
That's awesome.
Well, what would you rate that landing?
I don't even want to go there.
Oh,
this
come
time.
on.
I'm just going to get made fun of.
You noticed the landing score that I'm...
I did, and I saw your sweet wife abusing you on one of them, seriously.
All right, I'm glad somebody noticed.
I did.
honestly, that was a good land.
I was
give
happy
it a
with
9.
it. No, I don't think it was a 9.
It was good.
Thank you. I'm going to actually downgrade that to a 7.5, maybe.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're very critical of yourself.
All right, let's shut it down.
Okay.